Assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, aibovan, namaskar. Welcome to MSM 999 Travel. Hello everyone, I am Ziad. Today we are going to see the Mall of Qatar. If you want to use metro to go to the Mall of Qatar, you should use Green Line. Al Rifa metro station is the last stop on the Green Line. A link corridor has flipping right, like this very excited activity is functioning here. Such activity is found here, refreshing for the body and soul. Novo Cinema, the 19-screen megaplex in Mall of Qatar, is home to the largest IMAX with laser screen. In the MENA region, indulge in the luxurious Novo 7-star experience within blowing MX4D or have fun with the whole family at the kids screen. Did you interest to bowling? Prepare for our fun at the ideal bowling location within the Novo Cinema area. You can enjoy a unique bowling experience. This elevated bowling is ideal for children and adults. It's a great place to hang out and practice your bowling skills. Challenge your friends and family to rounds of the fun. You can satisfy enjoyable moments can get here. Russ Action Park. Russ Action Park is one of the other indoor activities. Jumping, climbing, running, dancing, score game and adventure game activities are going on here. It's suitable for 4 to 14 years old children. It's located on the first floor at West Gate number 3. The Aviator Lounge. Experience a unique flying simulation inside the Boeing 737-800 replica of the world's leading passenger jet that delivers a precious replication and realism during in-flight and ground handling that are indistinguishable from aircraft. Enjoy fully immersive experience of flying simulation or car racing simulator tested by Lewis Hamilton. The Entertainment Oasis Stage. The Entertainment Oasis stage is set up to rotating 360 degrees. Amazing looks garden and fountain around the stage. With every visit to your Mall of Qatar will give you unforgettable moments. Live entertainment shows on the Oasis stage will give you different experience. Entertainment world-class performance will be on here special days. Around the Entertainment Oasis stage are several quality restaurants. Eat from one of the any restaurant and watch the event on the stage. You can have an amazing experience. The stage is located ground floor on the center of the Mall of Qatar.
Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down, take my hand, stop, turn the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'll sing it like I want your love. Your love was made for somebody like me.
Food and beverage. Inside the Mall of Qatar, more than 100 food and beverage services are available with luxurious looks. Ice cream shops, soft drink shops, fresh juice shops, Turkish ice cream shop, coffee shops. In Qatar and world famous food and beverage outlets are available here with fantastic looks. Are you interested to eat something different kind of food? You can try inside the Mall of Qatar restaurants and you can feel something amazing. Okay, let's go to finish this video. Thank you for watching without forwarding. If you want to see more like this video, still you are not subscribed my MSM999 Travel YouTube channel, please subscribe MSM999 Travel YouTube channel and press bell button for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.